Right, so I've got the new, it's a chicken tikka pizza, I think it is, from Domino's. Last time I did a Domino's one, they had the butter chicken on special. That was for like $9.99 for a large, and of course they added on the $3 extra to make it extra large. This one's a chicken tikka. I use the same butter chicken base sauce, which I thought was unusual. It's got that it's paneer cheese or something on top. Yeah, that's quite interesting. Just show you the right there. So anyway, let's dig into this and see what we think. Got that stretchy mozzarella. Got a bit of capsicum. It's got a bit of tomato, not really big on tomato, but all the ingredients, it's alright. It's got a couple of bits of that cheese on it, so we'll see what that's like. It's got green capsicum, it's got red onion, it's got some sort of flavoured chicken. Yeah, white cheese on top of it's alright. It's actually, they've impressed me how much better they're getting at cutting the pizzas at Domino's. It used to be terrible, but they're actually getting better, at least at this one here at Eastgate. And if they do another deal on the other Indian pizzas, 3 in the range, they do the other one for $10, I'll be definitely in there to review it. Definitely a lot hungrier than I was last time. It's just water, by the way. Just didn't bother buying any drinks tonight. Yeah, I think I like it a lot better than the butter chicken. Not really sure if they put the right base sauce on or not. It's yeah, hard to tell. But yeah, I'll give it a maybe a 7 out of 10. Definitely worth getting the extra large for $3 extra. And yeah, I'll just wrap it up for there. Yeah, 7 out of 10, I think, and I'll do the written review to go with this a little bit later on. Ciao for now.